Good morning YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. So today I've got my sink all cut out, ready to go in. I've put my tap in, so I'm just wiring it all up. I'm not plumbing it in yet because I haven't got the pipe work, but I thought it'd be helpful for you guys to see how we wire it up. So I've got a 12-volt submersible pump, nice and cheap. Obviously everything will be linked in the description anyway, as usual. Let's get started. Right, as usual, we don't mess about, let's get straight in there. So 12-volt pump with a live and earth. Tap is the switch tap with a live and earth. And we've got a power cable coming in from the consumer unit with a live and earth. Okay, so just for the purpose of the video, I'm just going to twist the cables together rather than do it all neat and whatever else. I'll just do it just so you can see how to do it. So what we want is our power coming in from the consumer unit. Okay, so we want the negative of the power to the pump negative. Twist them together. Okay, and then we want the tap negative to the pump positive. So tap negative is black to the pump positive. And the only ones left is the tap positive and the power positive. Twist them together, and that is it. It is as simple as that. So we've got the power coming in live and earth, so we want the power earth going to the pump earth. We want the tap earth going to the pump positive, and then we want the tap positive going to the power positive. So if I get under, obviously this is just the purpose of the video, it's not staying like that. If I get under and turn on my breaker, this should work. There you go. Spot on. I don't want to keep running it dry because you burn it out, but that's all it is. That's all you do to wire it up. They recommend a 5 amp fuse in your consumer unit for these taps. Again, I'll link it all in the description. I'll just turn that breaker off quickly so the knife don't touch. And there you have it. So me personally, I'm going to crimp it all together, nice and neat, crimp it all together, but that's it. And obviously I'll link everything in the description, and if you want to help, if you want any help, just comment or whatever else, and I'll do my best to help you. But that's what we got, and that's it in there. Drop that in water, whatever you're going to use, a container or whatever. And here's the little sink that comes with it. Cracking little setup. And there you have it. So yeah, hopefully it's helped you out. If it has, give us a like. If you want any help or anything, just let us know. And yeah, thanks for watching.